Alright legends, in this video we actually get the R32 GTR engine and gearbox back into the GTR. It's happy days. Okay, a quick rundown on this R32 GTR. If you don't know, it's had a full rotisserie restoration. So all underneath, at the moment it sits without any doors on, the outside panels haven't been painted, professional's gonna do that. It's got some average wheels on it, but the whole entire chassis is brand spanking new. So inside, all sound deadening, everything's installed, super happy. So next up is just get this engine in, driveline, get it all built, and then off to the painters, and it's happy days. don't even know if I need to say anything. Look at the state of that. Hypertune manifolds, hypertune radiators, hypertune intercoolers, hypertune this, hypertune that.